Hi and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to properly jump start a vehicle. So if your vehicle doesn't want to start, you probably need to jump start it. So you can jump start with a portable booster or with jumper cables. And I'm going to show you how to properly connect jumper cables. So first you will want to attach positive cable to the positive terminal on the battery. And then you will want to connect negative cable to the negative terminal of the battery. And now you can start your vehicle. And now to disconnect the booster cables, first you will take off negative and then positive cable. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.